Welcome back, everyone. All right, so let's go ahead and put in a link. What would be a website without links? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and type in A and then href equals and 2 quotes, okay? And I'm going to type in, you know, whatever website you want. Okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to close that off and I'm going to type in another A like this right here. Now you'll notice nothing has happened. And the reason is that we need to add in some text here. So watch this. It just is a little bit like this. We're going to go interactive. Okay, there we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually do 2 things. I'm going to move that up here and I'm going to move this out. So forget about the output for just a second here. What is really happening here is that it's technically what's happening is this. And it should look like this on your computer. Again, you probably have a bigger screen than I do. But again, for video purposes, this is the best format for the course. So as you can see here, we have the ahref and what it is you put in whatever link you want. That's all it is. And then here you just type in whatever you want to be in there. And this could be anything you want. It could be my awesome website like that. But it's always good to label everything here. Okay. Now, you're probably noticing this little thing up at the top here. Sometimes it happens where you can't save your file here, and it automatically saves it, by the way. So if that happens, you just push this, okay? And so again, well, if we go ahead and I'll just go ahead and click this link, you can see that in the output it does navigate to where it is. Now obviously my website doesn't exactly work with this here, but as soon as you push space it goes right back to that. So that's all it is. That's all a link does. Okay, and that's how you set up a link. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.